Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iPhone notification not working after iOS 18 update. So guys, if you have updated iOS 18 in your device and notifications are not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to fix this issue. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the settings app. Make sure that you are properly connected with the internet, then tap on screen time and make sure that you have allowed the apps from here. So just simply have to scroll it down and look at it for the notifications, and just simply have to allow the notifications. Now close this page. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down, tap on notifications. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to schedule summary and make sure that you have turned off this toggle. Then scroll it down. If notifications are not working for a specific app, just simply have to tap on that app like this, and from here guys, make sure that you have allowed the notifications. And you can also find here Instagram or any other app. So guys, you have to make sure that if you have turned off 10 sensitive notifications. Now go back. From here again, go back. Now from here guys, what you have to do, you just simply have to tap on general, and from here you have to tap on software update. If you have any pending update, just simply have to update it, then scroll it down a bit. Now from here guys, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. Just simply have to reset the network setting, then close this page, open the settings again, scroll it down, tap on general. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on iPhone storage. If the notifications are not working for the specific app, just simply have to tap on that app. Now offload the app and then reinstall it, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. You can also restart your device to fix your issue. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.